If you're looking for the best hair detanglers, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Honest Conditioning Detangler. A few spritz of this nourishing blend are all you need for knot-free silky hair. Suitable for all ages, this detangling spray works quickly to detangle stubborn knots and leave hair manageable, soft, and moisturized. The naturally derived formula contains argan oil, jojoba protein, calendula, quinoa extracts, almond oil, and shea butter for intense nourishment. The citrusy spray also has lemon peel extract, safflower seed oil, babashu oil, murumuru butter, chamomile, and vitamin E to leave a silky smooth look. A fantastic choice if you're looking for a chemical-free product. This one is free from parabens, dyes, silicones, sulfates, synthetic fragrances, and more. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Pantene Moisturizing Mist Detangler. For damaged and fragile hair, this leave-in mist by Pantene is a great option. Why? Not only will it detangle the knots but also repair the damage, prevent breakage, and restore the original glossy finish. Formulated with antioxidants and castor oil to fortify hair strands, it also reduces split ends and provides light conditioning for styling purposes. The number 3 position is held by Mizani 25 Miracle Milk Leave-In Conditioner. Try this leave-in detangler with 25 benefits. This hair-transforming formula penetrates deep into the follicle to protect, moisturize, and repair. Plus, it also eases knots and combats dryness effortlessly. Your one-stop solution to banish frizzes, flyaways, and repair damage. This detangling milk contains ultra-nourishing ingredients. The formula is infused with fennel seed oil, coconut oil, sunflower seed extract, olive fruit oil, and camelina sativa seed oil to repair and protect strands. Great for all types of textured hair. Try this detangler spray for smooth and manageable curls. Next at number 4 we have Design Essentials Honey Cream Moisture Retention Shampoo. Not your regular shampoo, this ultra conditioning cleanser by Design Essentials will combat dryness and leave hair tangle-free. In most cases, dryness is the reason behind pesky knots, and if your hair is damaged, you must try this moisture retention shampoo ASAP. It will restore the moisture balance, soften, detangle, and smoothen hair with every wash. Non-stripping and gentle formula, it's also free from mineral oil, sulfates, alcohol, silicone, and gluten. So, if you're not a fan of creams and sprays, try this quick leathering and deep cleansing shampoo for tangle-free and manageable hair. The number 5 position is held by Fiora Naturals Hair Detangling Brush. Meet the ultimate knot separator. Unlike regular hair brushes, this detangler will gently ease those unruly knots with its flexible and bendable bristles. Yeah, no painful brushing sessions. It reduces breakage, and the nylon soft brush bristles also redistribute natural oils to add a healthy shine. Anti-static and with a countered vented design to allow quick blow drying and styling, it removes frizz-causing moisture too. High-end, functional, and made of 100% biodegradable material, this detangling brush is good for your hair and the planet. The number 6 position is dominated by its Aten Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In Conditioner. For salon-worthy, ultra-smooth, and soft hair, try this silk protein-infused conditioner. A great option for workaholics because it detangles instantly. The leave-in conditioner detangler also repairs and fortifies strands from roots to tips. The powerful silk protein treatment restores the moisture balance, adds shine, and protects hair from everyday environmental stressors like dry wind or humidity. Leaving hair visibly shiny, manageable, and smooth, there's no reason to give this knot-free treatment a miss. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Wet Brush Time Release Detangler. Busy bees, here's the detangler you'll thank us for. With time-release nutrients and hydration, this detangler will keep your hair knot-free for 3 days. Infused with keratin formula to strengthen and add shine, this game changer will make those time-consuming brushing sessions quick, painless, and effortless for you. A brand trusted by stylists, it guarantees minimum breakage and frizz control. The number 8 position is held by Raw Shea Butter Moisturizing Detangler. It's no secret that shea butter is incredibly moisturizing, and now, you can enjoy its benefits in this leave-in detangler. Great for 3 to 4 and coarse hair types, the infused raw shea butter moisturizes strands to release the most stubborn knots and prevent breakage effortlessly. You can use it pre or post shampooing to reduce styling time and to enjoy bouncy and healthy curls with every use. The formula also contains hair fortifying ingredients such as argan oil, sea kelp extract, slippery elm bark extract, and marshmallow roots. Also, it's free from harsh chemicals such as phthalates, sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, petrolatum, and more. Next at number 9 we have Oribe Run-Through Detangling Primer. This high-end and all-natural detangling primer has ultra-nourishing ingredients for your hair. It detangles instantly and smoothens cuticles with coconut, apricot, and pomegranate. It also protects damaged, drying, photoaging hair and restores natural keratin with Oribe's signature complex. Plus, amla extract hydrates and conditions intensely, whereas tropical hibiscus extract leaves hair touchable soft by replenishing and locking in moisture. Besides this, amino acid and anti-static complex prevents flyaways and adds a silky smooth shine. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Rahua Hydration Detangler Plus UV Barrier. If knots and frizzes are giving you a hard time, rage a war with this instant detangler. The formula softens the hair and leaves them instantly brushable, smooth, and ready to flaunt. Ultra moisturizing and infused with plant-based ingredients, the formula tames frizzes, prevents breakage, and repairs damage. It contains more oil, Rahua, organic mango sugar, and sacha enchai to nourish hair and scalp intensely. Besides this, it has the aromas of tropical fruits such as mango and passion fruit and is free from toxic chemicals such as parabens, silicones, sulfates, and gluten. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.